Welcome to the prosperous wood sheep year. The sheep is characterized as a docile, calm animal. This brings in cooperation, peace among nations. The wealth element this year is the wood element. And wearing green, painting office with color green, or using green bags, or using green color element would enhance money and wealth luck to you. The balance of the 5 elements in the Patsu chart this 2015, we have this wood, the fire, the water, the metal, and the earth, and also the balance of yin and yang in the astrological sign. This bring in cooperation, this bring in balance. So this signifies for the 2015 a year of prosperity and a year of good luck and a year of opportunity to everyone. The balance of the 5 element chart signifies people would tend to be more relaxed. The drive within ourselves is more weak. So we need to be more aggressive. We need to pay extra effort in order to achieve our success. For the feng shui sector of the home, the southeast flies the illness star. If you're sick, avoid staying on this area. And if you're pregnant, avoid staying or sleeping on the southeast sector of the bedroom. Putting metal object will subdue the element of the illness star in the southeast. The south direction is the violent star. This brings in theft, robbery, arguments. Putting water element to subdue the robbery, the violent star in the south. The southwest flies the future or the long-term prosperity star of the 2015. And putting 9 pieces of crystal or stone, this will activate the wealth or the long-term prosperity of the business. The east sector of the home flies the victory star, which brings in success, career luck, and putting fortune plant or putting wood element on this sector enhances the victory star of the 2015 in the east corner. One of the problematic sector for the year is the center of the home. This bring in hostile energy. This bring in anger energy, bringing arguments toward each one of the family members. And putting amethyst crystal to calm down the energy of the hostile star in the center. The most problematic sector with the 2015 is the west. Avoid activating this sector. Do not put telephone. Do not put your printer, your cell phone. Do not put anything loud or anything that can activate this sector of west. No groundbreaking on the sector of west. No renovating or repair the sector of west, because doing so would activate the misfortune sector. This will bring enormous bad luck. This will bring problem. This would bring diseases or illnesses to the family members. To subdue the 5 yellow misfortune star in the west, putting metal objects will subdue the element of 5 yellow misfortune star. One of the #1 most auspicious sector for 2015 is the north, which brings in enormous money luck, brings in good fortune, and brings in prosperity money star. If your main door of the house is facing north, use this often. Activate this by putting 8-rod wind chime. Putting water element on the north sector also enhances the wealth prosperity star for the 2015. Let's go for the northwest sector for 2015, which flies the love and scholastic star. For those single, staying on the sector of Northwest will enhance love luck for you. For those studying to pass the exam, staying on the Northwest sector enhances your wisdom star also. Putting metal abacus on the Northwest sector enhances study or educational star. Putting rose quartz on the Northwest also enhances the love luck star for 2015. The year of the rat. The difficult year last 2014 changes the star for the year of the rat. This year for the year of the rat brings in prosperity, money, wealth gain, opportunity in career, and in money. Wealth star for the year of the rat is very good. Money comes easily, and opportunity open sideline for the year of the rat. Career for the rat is not good, cannot change work, avoid conflict with boss, and stay low profile at work. For the relationship of rat, singles can find difficult and stay low profile at work. For the relationship of rat, singles can find difficult in looking for partner, and third party in marriage is there. And for the health of the rat, avoid drinking and careful with road accidents. The year of the ox is the direct conflict with the year of the sheep. A challenging and most obstacle year. This year also brings the heaven money wealth star, which brings in money gain luck for you. For the wealth of the ox, this brings in positive wealth star, which brings in supporters by heaven, wealth, and avoid overspending. For the career, miscommunication with your boss and client, you need to longer your patience and not okay to open new business or to change work. For the relationship, you have a poor romance luck, and for married couple, they need to have more understanding. And for the health luck of the ox, you need to have annual physical exam for the start of the year and do not delay treatment. You need to have proper diet and exercise. Year of the tiger, it's a very good year. Career success, personal happiness with heaven wealth and heaven seal brings in success in everything you do. In wealth, very good wealth luck this year. You have a strong windfall luck, and learn to invest your money. For the career of the tiger, strong support luck from your boss. For love or relationship of the tiger, auspicious love stars. Single will meet love life. Married couple will have a blissful married life. For the health of the tiger, not so strong. You're feeling more tired, weak immune system, but you will have luck in finding a good doctor. For the year of the rabbit, the nobleman and the supportive star is in your chart. This helps you toward success, as the year of the sheep is one of your allies. This brings in indirect spirit, shielding you and helping you overcome challenges. For the wealth luck of the rabbit, this will be a prosperous year. Improvement in money bank, salary increase, hitting quota, bonus, and investing in property and stock is lucky for the year of the rabbit. For the career luck, good interpersonal skills with coworker, socialize more. For the relationship, careful with what you say, be more sensitive. For the health luck of the rabbit, not so strong, avoid risky sport, diet and exercise is recommended. For the dragon, this year will be a powerful luck as the favorable star lies in your chart. Continuous growth in career, fame and recognition, prosperous year. You need to do more good deeds, going to church, prayers to enhance luck. For the wealth of the dragon, this will be a year wherein salary increment, bonus, and improved wealth luck. For the career of the dragon, opportunity to have a better job, be confident when dealing with your work. For the relationship of the dragon, strong love luck, easily resolve dispute. And for the health of the dragon, good, and you have no major health issue. Snake, ready for action, rich with opportunity and career prospect. Focus on one thing at a time. Wisdom and career luck star. This year is good for taking exam. This year is good in getting insurance and property investment. For the wealth luck of the snake, this is a good year to invest on long-term investment. For the career of the snake, there's a promotional luck. Helpful people come into your way. For the relationship luck of the snake, not good. You have a short-term romance only. For the snake health, not good also. Too much work. Learn to relax. And this year is prone to accidents and injury. Drive safely. The horse, as a best friend of the sheep, this brings in partnership, collaboration in business and career. Learn to work as a team. For the wealth, there's a weak wealth luck. Financial losses, especially on the last part of the year. You're prone to be cheated. For your career, co-workers give helping hand. For the relationship of the horse, strong love luck, good year to get married, single, finding love partner. For the health of the horse, there's a minor health problem, seeking medical treatment early, can easily recover from any illnesses. For the year of the sheep, not a good year because of the indirect conflict with the Tai Sui or the year god. Last year, 2014, is much better year compared with this year because lucky star is not in your chart. Avoid arguments, keep low and humble, careful whom you trust. For the wealth luck of the sheep, moderate wealth luck, need to save money, need to have extra work effort. For the career luck of the sheep, avoid conflict with the boss. For the relationship and love of the sheep, not good. For singles, you need to have extra effort. For married couple of the year of the sheep, you're prone to misunderstanding. For the health luck of the sheep, you need to have full medical checkup, learn to relax, go abroad to de-stress. For the year of the monkey, smooth sailing year with support from helpful friends. This year, give big leap and success in business. Importation of product abroad is lucky. For the wealth of the monkey, average, avoid risky business, avoid short-term investment. For the career of monkey, promising, gain support from opposite sex. For the love or relationship of monkey, strong love luck, health luck of the monkey, you need to sleep and rest more. For the year of the rooster, luck is gloomy, not a good year. You have a numerous misfortune star combined with the 5 yellow misfortune star seated on your house. Lawsuits, unexpected problems is there. You need to enhance prayers to enhance luck. For the wealth of the rooster, this is poor. You need to keep low profile. Career luck of rooster, you need to plan and strategize to overcome problem. Relationship love luck of rooster is weak. You need to take extra effort. For the married couple, you need to spend time together. Health luck of the rooster, avoid aggressive activity. You're prone to accident and injuries. For the year of the dog, use public relations skill to attract helpful friends. Helping hand star will lend support toward success. You have a strong fame and recognition luck. For the wealth luck of the horse is excellent here. Watch out for opportunity. Avoid being impulsive. For the career luck of the dog, backstabbers, jealousy. At work, careful with gossips. For the relationship or love of the dog, married couple are prone to have a third-party involvement. Single dog will have luck to find partner. For the health luck of dog is not good. You're susceptible to illnesses. For the year of the boar, you have a strong business partnership luck. You need to socialize more, prayers and going to church. activates your indirect spirit. This will enhance your wealth luck. For the wealth luck of the boar, this is a very strong year and very profitable year for you. Okay. For the career luck of the boar, gossips and backstabbers are there. Helpful people help in your work. For the love and relationship of the boar, harmonious and a happy relationship. For the health of the boar, you need to tone down and lose weight, low impact exercise, and avoid aggressive contact sports. Visit me at Level 1 EDSA Shangri-La Mall for tarot card reading, astrology reading, palm reading, face reading, or to feng shui your home, office, groundbreaking rituals. You may visit my website at www.masterhanskua.com.